Welcome to Muscle Car TV. Today I'm just going to walk you around the facility and show you a few cars that we're working on at the moment. We've got this genuine VL Group A Plus pack that's just come in. That'll be coming up for sale soon. We've got, this is just to give you an idea of the facility. So you can see where, if you wanted to, you can market your car from. There's a genuine XY GT. This is a spectacular yellow fire logbook matching number XA GT coupe that we've just restored for one of our very, very valued customers. That is almost ready to be delivered, and just spectacular car. That is so hard to find. 9th month 72, yellow fire, black trim, logbook, manual car. Couple of cars that have just been sold. This yellow glow XA 4-door, and then we've got another car here which is a customer car, track red XY GT, that we're restoring. This has had a lot of work done to it underneath. You can see we've done amazing work on this car, and let's have a look there. And then heading over, we've got a lovely replica just about to be built here. It's just been blasted and back to us now to before it goes to the paint shop. Super rare Vermilion Fire ZD 351 T-bar logbook Fairlane that's just being prepared to be delivered for a very valued customer out of WA. And then another beautiful Skyview Blue RPO 83 coupe that's in here for some work as well. That's very rare car indeed. I'm going to step back so you can see that. And then we've got all the cars that are for sale, XYs, HT350, and over here you've got the this electric blue that's been sold, just waiting to be picked up. And then a very special car up in the hoist that is being worked on. One of the cars recently purchased a Vermilion Fire Phase 3, and that's here getting a fair bit of work done to the undercarriage. Obviously these are nearly 50-year-old cars, so they need a little bit of TLC to get them driving perfectly again. Look at that. This is a really nice original car. Look at those HM extractors, and going through to the sway bar. Look at that, the sway bars on the Phase 3, very unique. Come back down through here. Have a look at this car, and I won't show you this, but they're very nice in this car. Look at that. That is a very, very nice original car, just in here for a little bit of freshen up. Okay, hope you've enjoyed that, and please give Australian Muscle Cars a call if you'd like to put your car in our facility, or if you'd like to come and visit and have a look at all the cars. We're in Kingsgrove in Sydney. Thanks for watching Muscle Car TV.